Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to make nitrocellulose. To do this you need cotton, concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. First get concentrated nitric acid and then carefully add sulfuric acid into this. This reaction makes a lot of heat, so I'm keeping this solution in ice bath to cool down. Okay, after the solution cooled down, I am adding cotton to this solution. Now keep this for 10 minutes and let's see after 10 minutes. Okay, after 10 minutes I'm going to transfer this cotton piece into a water bucket and then I'm using sodium bicarbonate to neutralize this. Okay, here is nitrocellulose that we made, and now let's test this. I'm taking a little piece for test and yes, that works. Okay, so I think my experiment is really successful. So thanks for watching my video. Please hit the like button and subscribe us for more videos. So goodbye.